If I were a bird, I would fly away, far away from here, only to find I was better off before I left you, dear. So I don't wanna be a bird, 'cause I would only end up hurt. I would rather stay and pass each day with you. Ooh, if I were a fire, I would burn so bright, brighter than a star, only to burn everyone I love and keep them as they are. So I don't wanna be a fire, burning only for pure desire. I would rather live complicated with you. Ooh, if I were a seed, I would grow so tall, planted in the ground, only to find I was on my own, surrounded by a crowd. So I don't wanna be a seed, living on my own constantly. I would rather be exactly me and you. Ooh, ooh, ooh. If I were time, I would take it all and save it just for us, only to find there's a reason that we all must turn to